Did you know your stomach gets a new lining every 3 to 4 days? This happens so the strong acid in your stomach doesn't digest itself. Imagine if it didn't renew, you'd be in big trouble. Pretty cool, right? Did you already know this? Comment below. And by the way, your intestines also get a new lining every 3 to 4 days. Subscribe for more fun facts and daily brain teasers. Here's one more thing that might help. You see, our brains are always making new connections between neurons, which is great, but sometimes those connections are not so great. They can lead to all sorts of problems, from anxiety to depression to memory loss.